Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be posting a Dallas Stars goal horn. Go check out my last video. It's the Blue Jackets. I was reacting to the Blue Jackets goal horn. So, yeah, let's get it. I think this goal horn's pretty good. I used to hate it, but now this one I like it because I love how they're singing. I like how teams use their own make up their own song about their team. So yeah, and it's catchy. And the the horn is perfect. Almost all the horns are perfectly pitched. So yeah, I have to say this will go in. Did I do 4? Or this is going in 4. I like this goal horn. I'm gonna be posting another video in about a few minutes, and then I'll make 2 more videos, and then I'm gonna make some later. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.